News 6 anchor Eric Von Anken is getting results at home in Leesburg, discovering that peel and stick sticks a little better with glue.
Thais? Hey, it's Eric and Jeff from News 6.
Yes.
We're here to get results at home.
Oh,
You're home.
Thank you. Come on in.
Thais, you're dealing with a peeling stick-on backsplash.
Yes, sir. And I've noticed it's coming loose, as you can see.
And just that you can stick on tile. I didn't even know you could do this.
Oh, yes. I Googled it and I saw something that was easy for me to do as a stay-at-home mom.
We are going to try and glue it back on with some special glue.
Awesome.
Now, a couple things I got to tell you before we get started. We discovered there are different types of peel and stick tile, including a heat-resistant kind, which is highly recommended if you're doing an install like this, putting it behind a stove. Now, we don't know if the heat had anything to do with these particular tiles peeling off the wall, so what we're going to try is taking some special glue and putting it behind the tiles, which is something you may want to think about when you install your own tiles the first time around. So this is one of the culprits. If your paint is loose, or in this case peeling, make sure to scrape it off before installing your backsplash. And this is probably the most important step. Do not skip it. Make sure to clean the surface thoroughly. I like to use a degreaser first and then rubbing alcohol so the glue sticks. I should also tell you there's all types of different glues out there. Some work better than others. Our friends at Ace specifically recommend this kind. So this is Gorilla Glue, the heavy-duty construction adhesive. So my goal is to get the glue on the wall and then spread it out evenly and make a really thin layer so it's not too thick at all and not too heavy. So we just finished this first section here, and so far it seems pretty great. It seems to be holding really well. So now we're going to go around the rest of the kitchen. All right, Thais, how'd we do?
Oh my goodness, it looks awesome. Babe, come and look. It looks real good. It looks
awesome.
Yes.
We'll check back with you. Let me know if it works.
Yeah, that'll do.
And in the meantime, if you got a project at your house you'd like us to tackle, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com. And next week, we might just show up in your kitchen. For now in Leesburg, Eric Von Anken, Getting Results, News 6.
All right, so if you'd like to watch that again, we put the repair on clickorlando.com. Just look under Getting Results at Home, and Eric also posted the step-by-step instructions and a list of materials with links so you can try this for yourself.
Yes, and like Eric said, we're looking for our next DIY project, so send us an email, tell us what we can help you with at your home, and we might just come out there.